Coming up on As Beautiful as Your Work, we meet a business consultant who's also a dog trainer. How well do you know the Mia woman? Send us your answer to the following question. What does Mia Jewelry stand for? A. As desirable as your work. B. As irresistible as your work. C. As beautiful as your work. D. As amazing as your work. You can SMS Mia, MIA, space, option A, B, C or D to 51818 and win an exciting gift voucher from Mia by Tanishq.
Take up as a perk, be beautiful as your work.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Tanishq Mia presents As Beautiful as Your Work, a series that celebrates the women of today. Hi, I'm Mugdha Kalra and I'm at the beautiful Aksa Beach in Mumbai. I'm here to meet Pranita Balar. She's a corporate executive. She's mostly hopping from meetings to meetings, but today she has taken some time out from her busy schedule to meet some of her very special friends. Come, let's go meet her.
Pranita Balar is a business consultant with a difference. Pranita prefers fresh air, open beaches and, well, the company of dogs. When not working on a business project, she's a professional dog trainer.
All right, okay.
Come on. You see, this guy has got full dirty in the sand and still wants to go in water.
Come, baby. So Pranita, tell me, how did the journey start? Were you always with pets and this is what you dreamt of, or was there another career that was happening to you?
Before doing dog training, I was actually into marketing, media, basically a full-time job or desk job, corporate office. I used to love dogs all my life and I wanted to do something with them. I just came up across this dog training course. It was like, wow. Let's give it a try. So I just went as a dog lover. I had nothing in my mind, I'm going to take it as a career or anything. But after my training, the first session I took with my first client, and the moment I stepped out of the session, the job satisfaction that I got, I was like, I'm not leaving this.
Why do you love this so much?
Because, it's dogs. I mean, I don't know how to answer that. It's just that you be with them, you get so much excitement. Any stress, they're a stress buster. So, if I get stressed from my marketing work, one training session with the dogs and I'm all fresh again to do my other work.
How do you balance it? Because they need time, you as you were mentioning that, to train someone's pet, you need a minimum of 2 months.
Right.
So how do you make time and how do you build in the schedule of your own hectic marketing commitments and pet training?
So pet training happens, the training happens like twice a week for an hour, 1 hour session. So I manage to schedule those days. Mostly they are in the mornings or evenings.
Right.
So afternoon bit I go for my client meetings, my marketing bit. And anything that I have to do regarding my company, that's Bark and Bond.
Yeah.
So I do that in the night. Social media is all day. Marketing my own company, that's also all day. So it somehow happens. It's just juggling between two things.
If we talk about fashion and style and a personal statement, how would you describe yourself? What is your style?
I would say more of casual. Then, anything that's comfortable for me. So if I go for my dog trainings, that I'm in my simplest form. That's the most non-glamorous job I have because I don't have to care about my clothes that time. It's all furs, leg drooling, everything. That time I don't bother. So I go in my comfort shorts, t-shirt or jeans t-shirt. For meetings, it's more of formal. So dresses, trousers, shirts. So anything that's comfortable, but colors in trend, clothes in comfortable.
Tell me about your passion, which is being with pets. Where do you see yourself taking it to?
I see myself as a guardian and a bridge that helps the owners understand their dog. Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Much needed in a sunny day. Thank you. I help pet parents from day one if they have to get a dog. how to do it, get them registered,
Right.
what to look in a breeder, do all research before getting a pet. What are these basics? So I do consultations. So what are the basic things you should follow?
Right.
While when you to get the dog settled in your house, then training, and then I keep visiting once in a month every dog to see if they're fine.
Tell me about your marketing job.
Right.
What is it that you like about it? And I obviously understand that it gives you that flexibility,
right.
that you need to juggle both the jobs.
Right.
But why did you choose that field?
Actually, in my management course, I did a specialization in finance. But when I was working at a financial company, I was in a marketing team, luckily. I realized marketing is what gets me in. I can't stay in office desk all day. I have to get out, meet people. I'm more of a people's person.
Right.
So meet people, talk to them, sell something. So that's what marketing does. So right now I'm doing business development for a company. So I handle all the clients in Bombay. So, go pitch them. It actually gives a balance. It gives you, dogs are more of passion, hobby, and this is more like a money-making job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Pranita, because you pamper your babies so much, we thought that we will pamper you with a little gift here from Tanishq
Oh,
Mia.
lovely.
Tanishq Mia celebrates the
Thank you
women of
so
today,
much.
the ones that are doing fantastic work and balancing so much. So this is a little gift for
God,
you.
that's
I
so
hope you
sweet
like
of
it.
you guys.
I hope
It's
you
really
like
nice. Wow.
Do you want to try them? It's
Yeah. How are they looking?
fun. They're looking lovely.
Thank you.
How well do you know the Mia woman? Send us your answer to the following question. What does Mia jewelry stand for? A. As desirable as your work. B. As irresistible as your work. C. As beautiful as your work. D. As amazing as your work. You can SMS Mia, MIA, space, option A, B, C or D to 51818 and win an exciting gift voucher from Mia by Tanishq.